So I thought to myself, time is passing me by. I want to do what I want to do in life now, and that is my career. So I need to put my head together, do what I gotta do, and work from home at the same time. I found a job. It's very giving advisor vibes, which is simple. I've been working for the Citizen Advice for a couple of years, so it's okay. This is a lot more simple, I would say, because I ain't got to find out information upon information. Like, you're calling in, all we got to do is find you on the system, which is like, but yeah, that gives me a lot more time to still be in the stock market throughout the day, doing what I want to do. And we're going to see how it goes. Like, today's my first day with Webhelp. But it's obviously not for Webhelp, it's for EE and BT. So, yeah. I'm planning on just doing this, to be honest with you. Easy setup, easy work life, and I can commit to what I want to do in life and my child at the same time. No complaints, nothing. Like, I can work around my child, like I said, in school, etc. Me working, etc. Do not ask me why I've got the light on. Obviously, I've been up since 5 a.m. in the morning. Know why I have the light on. We're in winter as well, so yeah. I don't think I need the light on right now. I've got the curtain open just a little. Young! This is giving me simple vibes, I think I can do it. Colleagues are decent people as well. He was talking about, you can get taken to a different country for a month. I was thinking, can I bring my child? Can I bring someone else? Because I got responsibilities. I know for a fact it's going to be, oh, no. Unless you can pay for childcare or some shit like that. Which is, yeah, of course. Come on. It's just a month working. Set me the same hours, 5 days a week. Give me the 2 days off. Take my kid on a little holiday. Pay for some childcare for the 8 hours. Depending on what country it is, it's probably going to be cheap. Like, childcare is cheap in America. Only thing is they don't have Ofsted registered type stuff. Actually, I don't know if they do, if they don't. But depending on the country. And anyway, my kid would be in the next room with me. Like, should be decent. Very simple lifestyle. Yeah, I wouldn't mind doing that. All paid, inclusive, hotel, room for 2 months. Different country. I got to pay rent over here for 2 months. No, I would still have to pay rent, but it's fine. Oh, guys, I don't know what to do, man. Like, he says, you can have your break. This looks pretty. I was trying to think of a thumbnail, but now that I think of it, that's not really a thumbnail, is it? But yeah, I only wanted that thumbnail because of the trees and the snow. But yeah. Oh my gosh. I need this market to move. Only one of the markets I'm looking at is like, it moved. It said 329. Haven't actually looked at, okay, it's plus now. No, it's not. Still stuck. What should I do, man? I got so much free time on me right now. Like, apart from looking at the stock market and working, I'm on my break. Should be ordering food or some shit. But do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to run to the shops and put some gas on. I don't want to put no gas on because these motherfuckers have been charging me £10 for 6 hours gas, which used to be £2.50, if you didn't know. That was just at the beginning of this year. The beginning, £2.50. And I know this because I used to leave it on for the whole day and it used to take £5. The whole 24 hours. Not anymore, boy. 6 hours, £10. Whoa. They stripped them of their fund. You've been naughty. I'm going to take your gas. Even though we can make something else. From something else. I need to run to the shops, to be honest with you. I really need to go get some gas. But at the same time, I'm like, let me wait a day and see if my meter resets or something. Because I didn't even have the gas on. I put £20 on Friday. Because Friday was when I got paid. We are Monday. I put £20 on Friday. Today is Monday. I know, I put £30 on. £30 on, and I had the gas on for 2 days. Just 2 days, 24 hours, 2 days. Because, as you know, I live on the ground floor, as you just saw, and it gets really cold. Water likes to try run in. Yeah, so I put the heating on. Worst mistake I could ever make. You need to put your heating on before it gets cold, so it's warm already. And, the boiler's heated already. It hasn't got to do that extra work. Because it teethed me whole £30 in just 2 days. 2 days. I ran out of gas on Sunday. Just after I gave myself and my kid a bath. Today's Monday morning. And I'm like, I had a bath last night. Cool, could have one tonight. Wonder if it can die down on trying to teeth out some gas or something, because it should not be taking out that much, you feel me? I felt like calling them yesterday, hello. I just put £30 on Friday and it's gone already. I only had the gas on for 6 hours a day. What you doing? I'm not joking. It's exactly what I wanted to do. So I think I'm gonna do what I just said, because £30 should last me the month. The whole entire month. £30 should last me, because that's how much gas I'm using. I don't use my cooker that much because I have a air fryer. So, and I don't even need to use the gas. I could just put the pasta in the rice cooker. So dumb. Wish I had done that. Then it will make up electricity being £100 a month. I don't mind. It's already 70. Gee. This market is... I better withdraw that profit. I knew it. So I've just seen a setup for a particular market on my charts. And I'm thinking to get in on the long run because of just what's just happened. And it's a decent drop as well. It's not even a indecisive, we don't know who's in control of the market drop. So I'm thinking Give me 1 second. That's 7 pips. 12 pips. Alright, so I'm gonna have a stock loss of about 30 pips in total when I get into this market. But I'm doing it on a long one. Do you know what? I think I should wait until I see a buy, but I don't think I'm gonna see a buy where I'm like, unless I placed a buy whilst the market is retesting the previous hour. So in a minute time frame, it's ranged, broke, ranged, trailed, and broke. So I'm thinking that's a big ask though, now that I look at it. But it's like 20 pips max, 31 pips max in total. And I'm thinking to myself, I want to wait until it does its little retest in the next 5-10 minutes, etc. But I'm going to go and get in with a buy. I need my phone to do that. Did I just say buy? Bitch, I ain't even buying. I'm... What? Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. But then again, I actually wanted to get in with a buy for a little piece. But I feel like it's going to break my structure. So I'm like, what's the time? The hour is closing and it's a buyer's market. I've got to go.